Montana officials have said that a trial brought by young plaintiffs over the state's obligation to protect residents from climate change would not affect approvals for fossil fuel projects. Lawyers for Montana's Republican Attorney General have begun their defense after a week of testimony from over a dozen plaintiffs aged between 5 and 22. They argue they are being harmed by wildfire smoke, heat waves, and other effects of climate change and are calling for a state law that stops agencies from considering the impact of greenhouse gas and permits for fossil fuel development to be declared unconstitutional. While experts point to the role of greenhouse gas emissions from coal, oil, and natural gas, agencies are bound to issue permits for projects that comply with the law, said Montana's Department of Environmental Quality Director Chris Dorrington, adding that they did not have authority to not permit something that fully complies with the law. The plaintiffs explain that climate change is disrupting their lives, with smoke from worsening wildfires harming their breathing and drought drying up rivers that sustain agriculture, fish, wildlife, and recreation. The case is based on a provision of the Montana Environmental Protection Act, but state officials have said regulatory acts like the Clean Air Act of Montana, which do not allow permits to be denied in the state on the basis of climate impacts, should not be subject to the challenge.